In this video, we're going to show you how to get started in Adobe Premiere 2025. So first thing you always do is make a folder for yourself, or make sure that you have a folder on the desktop. So I right-clicked and new folder, and we are always going to name it our period number, which we'll pretend that it's 3, your last name. And then in that folder, if you want to make subfolders, that would be great to keep yourself organized. So then you right-click again, new folder, and in this case, we'll name the project. So this is going to be my Blue Moon Clips project. And then we're going to move all of our shots into that folder. So in here, we're going to drag your files from your memory card in this case, and I'm going to drag them into my folder on the computer that is named 3 Polini, in this case, your period number and your last name. And so while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and open Adobe Creative Cloud. So it looks like a rainbow button up here. And when you click in the upper right corner where it says account, it should be your account. So we're going to click on it. And then if it's not you, then you can hit sign out and then sign that person out. And it's going to ask you to log in. We never log in with Adobe. So let me just show you. Sign out, continue. You always log in with Adobe. I'm sorry. You don't log in with Google, just to be safe. And then you're going to type in your email address, your school account. Sometimes it asks for it twice. So don't do continue with Google, just to be on the safe side, because we end with chsd218.org. And like I said, it's going to ask you to do that twice. If you did it correctly, it's going to ask you again. So then type in your email address, and then you're going to type in your password. Now, if you're editing on Premiere, this is not super essential. It's okay if you're editing on someone else's Creative Cloud login, but for control purposes, it is better for you to be logged in, but don't get hung up on this if that's the case. So again, you should be logged in here. And once you do that, then when we go to Premiere, so I'm going to close these windows. I've moved all my files to my folder, and then I'm going to open Premiere on there. So Premiere will either be down at the taskbar, the PR, or it will be on your desktop there. You can also open it out of Creative Cloud, which we usually don't have to do because we set up the computers to make it easier for you. But we're going to wait for that to load up. We are using Premiere 2025. And this is what we call the launch page. It'll show you all of the old projects that you've used, so it might be blank for you the first time. Again, in the upper right corner, you should be logged in, but if you are not, not a big deal, but you do want to make sure someone's logged in on Creative Cloud. For us, we're going to hit New Project. So this is very important. When it asks for the name, same thing, period number. So in this case, I'm pretending I'm in period 3, last name. It will always be the same for you. And then whatever the project is. And then location's very important. See how it automatically just saves it in whatever folder it wants or whatever folder was used last. So for you, when you click it, choose location, you want to make sure it's in your desktop folder. So I clicked desktop, I found my folder, and then now when I hit save, it's named correctly. Save. We're going to skip the import mode so you can check this, and then click create. No template. And then it will load the workspace as we know it. So up here is your home panel, home bar that I call it. So it'll show you all the steps to editing, importing your shots, editing, and exporting when we're all done. The home button will take you back to the launch page so that you can open a new project if you want. And then workspaces are up at the top. So let me go back to edit. We will always use workspaces, so there's all of these workspaces here that you could use. That for us, either you will use Prelude or Essentials or Editing. So remember, a workspace redesigns the interface, so depending on the task you want to do. So in this case, I want to edit, so it gives me the setup for editing. If I wanted to do color correction, and I hit color on the workspace, it will set up the color so that I can change the color of my shots. And similarly, if I want to just work on audio, if I go to audio, it'll change all of the layout so that I could just work with audio on that. And if I need to, Alt-Shift-0 will reset my design so that my workspace in the correct way. So those are the basic steps to editing. And then for saving purposes, it will ask you to save, but you want to go to File, Save before you close. You also want to set up your autosave. So if you go to the top bar and then hit Edit, Preferences, and Autosave, you just want to make sure that it is checked for automatically save projects, and we're going to go every 5 minutes. And then down here, if you really want to, it tells you where it is saving your projects, but for the most part, it is always saving your autosave if you turn it on every 5 minutes. And then when you close, let's say you're all done, when you X out, it'll ask you if you want to save, or it will automatically save for you. And that is it for how to get started on Adobe Premiere 2025.